What's up guys, I'm back and today I'm gonna talk about Oneplus 7. As you guys might know, the device is gonna launch in few weeks, but there's a leak coming through which tells there is another variant coming along Oneplus 7. It is a Pro variant. This is for the first time that Oneplus is launching two variants at the same time. We have got some pictures of this device and these pictures do confirm the arrival of OnePlus 7 Pro, and this picture also unveil the device front with some specification listed on the device. In this first picture, you can see the curved edges around the display of the device, and these edges are just like Galaxy S10 devices. So in some words, you can say this is a copy of Galaxy S10 devices. So in this picture, you can see there is no notch or any cutouts in the display of OnePlus 7 Pro. So it seems like OnePlus is trying to go bezel-less, but it's not a fully bezel-less device as there are some bezels around. But it is appreciating that many brands are trying to go bezel-less, and recently we have seen in Samsung Galaxy A80, it was not completely bezel-less, but it was a good try from Samsung. So this notchless display on OnePlus 7 also increases the probability of a pop-up camera on this device. Second image almost reveals the device specs, and you can see the device has 6.67-inch Super Optic display. It is powered by a Snapdragon 855 chipset along with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. The device is fully packed as it is the Pro variant, and you should also keep in mind the device is not gonna be cheap at all, especially the Pro variant. So moving to the back, you can see there are three cameras on this device. There is no fingerprint scanner on the back, so it must be on the front under the display. But the noticeable thing is the device has three cameras this time. The main sensor is 48 megapixel, and the secondary one is 16 megapixel telephoto lens, and the last one is 8 megapixel wide-angle camera. So OnePlus has also picked up the wide-angle camera, and why not? The wide-angle camera has become a standard in 2019. Previous videos I told you the device gonna come with some gradient color options, but this time the CEO of OnePlus says the device not gonna come with any gradient colors. He said the gradient color looks great, but it does not sell well, so we might not see any gradient color option from OnePlus 7. Launch date of OnePlus is not confirmed yet, but when it confirmed, I'll let you guys know. So that's for now, and if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so whenever I post a new video, you guys get the notification. Until next time, peace out.